welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys know what time it is. It is time to do a Walmart Ibotta haul. I made a video last week telling you guys I was going to do one, and then when I started to do my breakdowns, you know, I thought for the new month there'd be something there. They didn't have anything new, nothing there, plus we really didn't have the coupons for it, and a lot of you guys are getting sick of just the printable coupons. And this week I was super excited to actually use, Benjamin, hey, I left my water upstairs, can you go get it for me? But I was actually super excited to actually use coupons instead of printables. A lot of you guys like that, and I actually did some pretty good deals. I had a list of stuff that I wanted to get. My store was either sold out, didn't have it, the price was too high, or the deal just didn't work out in my favor. But for the what I got, I think I did pretty good. A lot of it is repeaters, but some of them are just a couple different things. Now, when I was going through my app, when I was going through my app last week, it only showed level 1 and level 2. And I asked a couple of you guys, and you guys said, yeah, level 1 and level 2. Then today I go and check out my teamwork, and it was 4 levels. So now my 4 levels are back. So if you guys have 4 levels, let me know. You guys can be on my Ibotta team. I do have a Facebook friend request. Now I have Facebook, like you can like my page, and then I have down below where you guys can friend request me. The friend request me is where you guys can be my actual friend on Facebook, ask me any questions. Now a lot of you guys are telling me that you're not seeing me in the app. What is it? Ibotta. They're having a lot of problems. I mean, they're one of the top apps out there. So a lot of people are like, yeah, I don't see you in the app. You guys just message me. Tell me how much you guys have gotten back from Ibotta. Yeah, that's cool. That's for you. Tell me how much you've gotten back total. So, I mean, even if it's like 30 bucks or if it's a couple thousand, let me know and I will find you guys and I will nudge you. Because I've seen a lot of people say they can't find me, but I can find them. It's weird. I don't know why. There's nothing I can do about it, but you're there as long as you're Facebook friends with me and you guys have your Facebook linked to Ibotta. Now, yes, I felt like I was going to tell you something else, but I don't remember. But yes, I'm still enjoying Ibotta. I feel like in the past, and you guys can agree with me, over the past couple months, there hasn't been a lot of great deals, and there are some good deals. But here's the thing, you guys might have some of those good deals and I don't. Everybody's Ibotta fluctuates. So some of the deals that I do that you guys see that you don't have, it's weird. I don't know why they do that, but enough with me chit-chatting. Let's get on with the deal so I can share with you guys. Now, the first thing I got is a Motrin liquid gels. These are 20 liquid-filled capsules. There is a $1 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. So you guys use that $1 off coupon. You guys would pay $2.98 for this. But then you guys will get $2 back with Ibotta, making it just 98 cents. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So if you guys are interested in that, got the Febreze again. Those coupons still don't expire for like another year, you guys. It's crazy. But Febreze is $8.84. Now, if you still have some of those coupons, they're from the 6/22 Smart Source. So June 22nd, I think, is the inserts. I know, it's crazy. But there's a $4 off coupon. Otherwise, there is a printable coupon that you guys can print from the Febreze website. You guys would pay $4.84. But then through Ibotta, you guys will get $3 back, making it $1.84. Now, this isn't a true wash. This is something that you add to your wash. Like if you guys work out or have something kind of, you just have extra stinky clothes, this is kind of just like a little booster. We've actually used it a couple times. So if you guys are interested in something like that, I wanted to do the Johnson's baby deal, but they only had one thing. We do have the coupons for it, but I'm just like, It's only $1 off coupon. Otherwise there was like a $2.50 and there's a $5, and I'm just like, no. I was gonna do it, and then I'm just like, no. So didn't do that, but I did do the Carefree. Now with the feminine products, make sure you guys scan this as you guys are at the store, because I noticed that some items say it works, it says any item, but when you scan it, it doesn't match. Now you guys could still buy that item, you just don't get your money right away. You have to email Ibotta and they have to fix it and they give you a credit, and it's just a pain in the butt. So I always try to just get what scans. So I ended up just getting these Carefree long liners. Now if you guys sell your stockpile or get rid of it, if you guys kind of constantly get the same thing, that's fine. But if you have people that like get certain things, ask them if they're looking for specific products, because when I had my garage sale this summer, I had some stuff that just flew off the shelf and I had some stuff that didn't. And so if you guys constantly are giving away or selling your stockpile, ask the people what they're interested in, because maybe you won't use it but they will, and you might be able to just get rid of it faster. So just giving you a heads up on that. But these were $2.97. You guys use that $1 off coupon that we just got yesterday's paper. There was a coupon that you guys could print if you didn't have it, but you guys would pay $1.97 for this, but then you guys will get $1.25 back with Ibotta, making it just 72 cents. So I think that is a pretty great deal. Now the Stayfree Pads. Now it's funny, they have to be the pads. They can't be like the really thin pads. They gotta be like the thicker pads. I know it's weird, but these were $2.86. You guys also want to use that $1 off coupon that we got in yesterday's paper or Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $1.86 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1.25 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 61 cents. So I think that's a pretty good deal. And these are actually kind of perfect for me when I have the baby, so I might have to consider using some of these. So got that going on. Now this is what kind of ticked me off. I scanned 2 different Playtex things. Does not match. I even scanned what was on the picture. Does not match. This one matched. So I'm just like, whatever. So I'll get this one. So this is the Playtex Sports Compact. Okay. So these were $3.97. So a little bit more, but a little bit of a better quality. So $3.97. You guys use that $1 off coupon. You guys would pay $2.97 for this, but then you guys will get a $1 rebate from Ibotta, making it just $1.97. Not the greatest deal, but when you can get feminine products pretty much 50% off or cheaper, that's a pretty good deal. So if you guys are interested in doing that one, I got the ooey yogurt. I'm not a big fan of this yogurt, to tell you the truth. Husband likes the jar, but I could care less about this. But this is a French style yogurt ooey. Now this is free after rebate, so you guys would pay $1.34 for this. That's how much it costs at the store. But then you guys can submit a rebate on Ibotta for $1.34, making this absolutely free. Now they do have other freebies. The Walmart I shop at doesn't have anything else. So everybody's store is different and everybody's Ibotta is different. So wanted to show you guys with that. I ended up getting this other yogurt. Now this is Ico's 000 yogurt. This was $1. You guys would pay $1 for this, but then there's a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just 50 cents. So it's worth it for 50 cents. I'm afraid to try Greek yogurt. Don't know why. I'll eat regular yogurt, but I don't know why about the Greek yogurt. It kind of scares me. ThermaCare. Now you guys can do this deal at Target or Walmart. I just did it at Walmart because I didn't want to go to Target just for 1 or 2 items. So this was $5.94. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon that we got in Sunday's paper. Now, if you don't have this coupon, you guys can actually go to redplum.com. It'll actually take you to retailmenot.com. So either one. And there's a printable $3 off coupon if you guys want to use that. So you guys would get this for $2.94. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta and a $3 rebate on Saving Star. So that's a pretty good deal. This is a pain relieving cream, and I actually should use this because my legs have been killing me lately. Like, I feel like I got a Charlie horse in my muscles. I'm just waiting for the day I get Charlie horses in my knees while I'm sleeping. But yeah, and I feel like I think I need something like this. I think this is kind of like Bengay, maybe. So we'll see. But this ends up becoming a $2.06 moneymaker. That is an awesome, awesome deal. So if you guys are interested in something like that, Robitussin. Now these deals might be better at Walgreens. I just had this coupon with me today, so I just wanted to do it. But if it resets on, or no, there's no Ibotta one for this one. But there's a Saving Star deal. But this was $6.58. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon that we got in Sunday's paper. Again, if you guys didn't get that coupon, you guys can actually go to redplum.com and it'll direct you right to it. So you guys will pay $10. Why can't I speak? $3.58. But then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Saving Star, making this just 58 cents. So this will come in handy. This is cough, chest, congestion. So that's something that my family needs a couple days ago because we were all sick. Vitamins. Gummy vitamins. These were $6.76. There's a $4 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper, making it $2.76, which I think $2.76. I didn't say your name, honey. $2.76 I think is a pretty good deal anyways, even without a rebate. So if you guys ever need vitamins, especially gummies, are a little bit sometimes easier to swallow for people, go for it. But then on Saving Star, you guys definitely want to submit your receipt for $4 on that, making this a $1.24 moneymaker. A $1.24 moneymaker is a pretty awesome deal. So I was pretty excited to get that. I like to stock up on vitamins. I'm trying to get people to eat more vitamins in my house. And a lot of people are like, yeah, they don't really do much. Well, I feel like they do because I've been on prenatal vitamins for almost 3 years now. And I feel like they've helped me a lot not getting sick. And then the last deal I did were this secret deal. Now, I scanned these items. It said nothing popped up. So I actually went to the offer there, and then I scanned the items and it worked. So I don't know why the Ibotta app is just weird, but I ended up getting the secret deodorant. Now you had to get one spray and one regular. So these were both $4.97. I got the Cool Water Lily and the Wild Sugar. I didn't even smell this one. Oh, that smells good. I think I'm gonna use that one. That smells good. So got those two. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon each that we got in the P&G. So $2 off coupons. You guys would pay $7.94 for the both of these. But then there's a deal where if you guys buy both of them, you get $5 back from Ibotta, making it $2.94 or $1.47. So I think that's a pretty good deal if you guys are interested in doing something like that. But yeah, that was my haul. It wasn't the greatest haul, but hey, I was excited to do some deals. I got some bonuses. I finished a level, so I'm pretty excited. My total came to $34.18. Now, my store still had a lot of Christmas stuff. It was 75% off, but I didn't need any of it. I don't need any Christmas stuff. Like I said, I only need gift bags, but they were not cheap enough. They had tons and tons of toys on clearance. But I didn't get any toys because there's really nothing there that I needed. But I kind of just walked around to see if there's anything else. And then they had some clothes on clearance. So if you guys are interested in winter clothes for your kids for next year, if you kind of have an idea what they're going to be, start checking out the clearance clothes because those are they were starting to mark them down by like $3. So wanted to share with you guys on that. But yeah, my total came to $34.18. I got $18.09 back with Ibotta. I ended up getting $10 back with Saving Star. With the $18.09, I also had a 75-cent any receipt, so that's included in the $18.09. I finished level 1, so I got a 50-cent bonus for that. And then I also had one of the bonuses where you needed, I think I needed 12 rebates, and I finished it. So I got a $2 rebate for the Savings Strongs bonus on Ibotta. So everything came to $3.59. I got 12 items, and that comes out to be just 29 cents a piece. I will take it. But I think that's a pretty good deal. Like all that stuff for $4, that's a pretty good deal. So yes, I'm excited to share with you guys. I'm ready for January to be an awesome month for couponing, especially with all the inserts we got this past Sunday. So hopefully we can get some better deals. Hopefully Ibotta steps it up. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all another time for another Walmart Ibotta haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.